In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull Fundamental Data. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key numbers behind a company and how to make sense of them, all within the stock detail page. Start by searching for the stock you want to analyze. Use the search bar and type the company name or its ticker symbol. Double-check that you've selected the correct listing, especially if the company has multiple share classes or trades on different exchanges. Once you've found it, open the stock detail page. This is your central hub. You'll see the price chart up top, and below or along the tabs, you'll find the sections that hold the company's financial story. Look for tabs labeled Financials, Fundamentals, or Key Data. The exact wording can vary by version or platform, but they serve the same purpose. Open one of these tabs to explore the core statements and metrics. Here, you'll see the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. The income statement shows how the business performs over a period. Pay attention to revenue, gross profit, operating income, and net income. Check whether revenue is growing consistently and whether margins are stable or improving. If available, look at per-share results to understand how profits translate to shareholders. The balance sheet offers a snapshot of what the company owns and owes. Focus on total assets, total liabilities, and shareholders' equity. Notice the level of debt and how it compares to equity, and look for enough short-term assets to cover short-term liabilities. Stability here often supports a company's ability to weather uncertainty. The cash flow statement explains how cash moves through the business. Operating cash flow is especially important. Healthy companies often generate consistent cash from operations. You can also note investing and financing cash flows to see how the company spends on growth or raises capital. Positive, sustainable cash generation is a good sign that earnings are backed by real cash. You may also find earnings figures, revenue trends, and analyst ratings. Earnings sections often show past results alongside expectations, which helps you see whether the company has been meeting or missing estimates. Revenue trend charts can reveal seasonality or long-term growth. Analyst ratings summarize professional opinions, sometimes with price targets. Use these as context, not certainty, and compare them with the financial statements you've just reviewed. As you navigate, you can usually switch between quarterly and annual views, and sometimes see trailing 12 months for a more current picture. Scan multiple periods to spot trends, rather than focusing on a single data point. With these tools, Webull's fundamental data turns raw numbers into a clearer view of a company's health and direction.